How to fix the call ended or call disconnecting problem on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve sudden call drops on your Android device. First, check your network signal at the top of your screen. If you have low or no signal, that is likely the cause of your calls dropping. After that, toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it back off to force your device to reconnect to the network. From there, try making a call again to see if the issue is resolved. At this point, if calls are still dropping, go to your Android settings and tap on Connections. In the next step, tap on Mobile Networks and make sure your network mode is set to the correct option for your carrier. Try switching between 4G and 5G if available. Following this, go back to Main Settings and tap on General Management Settings, then tap on Reset. And after that, tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm. Once done, this will reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network settings. Your device will reconnect to the network fresh after the reset. From here, go to your home screen and long press on your phone app, then tap the Info or I button. At this stage, tap on Storage and clear the cache, then tap Force Stop and confirm. Finally, restart your device by long pressing the power button and tapping Restart. Once back on, make a test call to check if the disconnecting issue has been resolved. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your call disconnecting problem, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.